Amazon just let AI decide which brands survive, and it's terrifying. Thousands of sellers are wondering why their rankings suddenly dropped, even though nothing inside Seller Center changed. But the truth is, the rules did change. You just weren't told. Amazon's new AI system like Rufus and Agentic AI are quietly rewriting how products are ranked, recommended, and even purchased. And if you don't adapt now, you might become invisible before 2026. In this video, I will show you 5 ways AI is reshaping Amazon's ranking system backed by real data from Amazon, and what you can do today to protect your brand. In the next 60 seconds, you will see exactly why your competitors' listings, the one with worse photos and fewer reviews, keeps beating you. And I'm telling you, it's not luck, it's AI. So what exactly did change? At Amazon Accelerator 2025, Amazon made it crystal clear. AI isn't coming someday. It's already running in the background of your business. They introduced something called Agentic AI, a system that constantly scans your listings, pricing, and reviews, predicting issues before even you log in. Then there's Rufus, Amazon Conversational Shopping Assistant, which answers customer questions like a human and decides which products to recommend first. Amazon even gave all sellers access to Amazon Marketing Cloud, a powerful analytic tool that used to be reserved for big brands. And one more thing, Amazon said Gen Z will dominate online shopping by 2029. These are buyers who trust stories, faces, and authentic brands, not random listings. Now, put all that together, and the message is simple. Amazon is quietly becoming an AI-driven trust platform. So here's what that means for you. If your listing misses those AI trust signals, Amazon quietly marks it as low trust. You'll never see warning, you will see only the sales drop. So in the next section, let's break down exactly how this trust-based ranking system works, starting with the biggest shift of all, brand citations. For years, sellers believed success meant one thing, keywords plus review. But Amazon's AI is changing that completely. Now, instead of counting backlinks like Google once did, it tracks brand citation, the number of times your brand is mentioned, searched, and trusted across the web and inside Amazon. When shoppers type Olaplex shampoo instead of just hair repair shampoo, that's a brand citation. Amazon's AI reads that as people already know and trust this brand. At Accelerator 2025, Amazon said the sellers crossing $1 million in sales have one thing in common. Their brand name is searched, not just their keywords. So this isn't about backlinks anymore. It's about trust signals that tell AI your brand is real. Now the important part, let's make this practical for your brand. So go into your brand analytics tab and search query performance. Here, search for your top 3 products and see if your brand name appears as a common search terms. If it does, you already have AI trust points working for you. If it doesn't, no worries. Start building what we call trust citation. Post short videos on TikTok or Instagram where you literally say search, then you mention your brand name on Amazon. For example, if your brand name is EasyGo, then you can say search EasyGo on Amazon. So every time someone types your brand in the Amazon search bar, they are training the algorithm to recognize you as a brand, not just a listing. It's been years us tried to hack credibility, posting on Reddit, leaving fake comments, etc. But AI doesn't trust noise anymore. It trusts proof. Now, I'm not suggesting you to stop posting on Reddit or fake comments, but what I'm saying is you need to be more smart, because Amazon algorithm now gives weight to who is behind the brand. That's why you are seeing made by and recommended by sections inside A+ content, because real faces means real trust. AI reads every detail, your brand story, expert bio, and even the tone of your review responses to decide if you are a verified expert or just another seller. So if you have been hiding behind your logo, it's time to step out. At Amazon Accelerator 2025, they literally said authentic brands outperform anonymous listings by double-digit margin, because when buyers and AI can connect the product to a human, they remember you. And here's how you build expertise signals Amazon's AI actually see. First of all, open your Amazon A+ content manager. Add a new module with your founder photo or an expert bio. If you don't have one, add a line like developed by nutritionist for Jenny Allergy. A step to respond to Q&A and reviews from your brand account consistently. Even short replies like thank you for your feedback shows AI you are active and authentic. Step 3. Use Vine for launches. Those verified reviews carry way more trust signal than random purchases. Now, if you combine these three, your store will look alive and AI will treat you like a real brand. Now, here's something most sellers don't realize yet. AI isn't just helping people find products, it's starting to sell them. OpenAI recently partnered with Stripe, meaning ChatGPT users can now buy products without even leaving the chat. Think about that for a second. Someone asks what's the best handmade leather wallet. ChatGPT shows the option from Shopify or Amazon sellers, and the entire checkout happens right there inside the conversation. Amazon is already moving the same way. Tools like Buy with Prime and Alexa voice orders are designed to make sure buyers never have to click out of an AI interface. So if your product data and coffee aren't AI-readable, your listings will never even appear in those conversations. That means your listings need to talk like a person, not a keyword machine. Let's do a quick test together. Ask ChatGPT what's the best collagen powder on Amazon. See that it doesn't show the exact Amazon search result. It summarizes a few brands it trusts. Now ask the same question but include your brand name. If it doesn't show up, you are invisible to AI. To fix that, you need use case-based writing. Meaning, instead of writing features, write sentences that sound like the customer's actual questions. If your product is a desk lamp, don't just write adjustable LED lamp, 10W and 6000K. Write a study lamp that keeps your eyes relaxed during long hours. That's how AI understands your intent and it starts recommending you. If you have been on Amazon lately, you have probably noticed it. The first 4 results are ads. But what most sellers don't realize is that the same thing is happening inside AI platforms. OpenAI has already confirmed they are launching a sponsored placement inside ChatGPT responses, which means soon even AI answer will start with paid results. And here's the twist: Amazon's own AI advertising engine is already doing it. Even every image, headline, and placement is now powered by AI-driven personalization. But the good news, at Amazon Accelerator 2025, they announced that every seller now has access to Amazon Marketing Cloud or AMC. This tool used to be available only for 7-figure brands. Now you can use it to track how AI sees your ad performance, every click, every impression, every path that leads to a sale. So while others panic about losing organic space, smart sellers are using data to win it back. Let me show you a quick example. This is AMC Amazon Marketing Cloud. Until now, this was an enterprise-only tool. But today, even if you are a small seller, you can see where your customers actually come from. So let's say someone sees your ads on Instagram, click on your Amazon listing but doesn't buy. AMC still connects that path. You can see which campaigns influence a sale, not just which ones close it. That's how you stop wasting ad money, and that's how you prepare for AI placement inside ChatGPT and Rufus. Because when that moment arrives, the sellers who already know how to analyze and optimize through data will dominate instantly. And no, AI still won't file your reimbursement cases for you. At least not yet. Now here's the scariest part of all this. In voice-based AI search, there is no page 2. There's not even a page 1. When someone says Alexa, order collagen powder, or asks Rufus what's the best protein shake for women, the AI doesn't list 10 options. Even if it does, it normally recommends just one product. That means whoever wins that top trust position capture 100% of those sales. And Amazon has been quietly preparing for this. They have upgraded FB logistics for faster, more reliable delivery, separated coming late inventory, and even improved voice AI understanding of listing text. AI only recommends products it trusts to deliver fast, meet expectations, and have consistent reviews. So how do you make sure it's your product that Alexa or Rufus recommends? Here's the playbook. First, make sure your listing answers conversational questions like a human would. Instead of writing protein powder with BCAA formula, say a protein shake that helps women recover faster after workouts. That's how voice AI understands you. Second, keep your average rating above 4.5 stars, because voice AI won't risk recommending a product with mixed feedback. Third, use FBA or Seller Fulfill Prime so your delivery time is under 2 days. Alexa prioritizes speed and reliability, not cheap shipping. If you do those 3 things consistently, your product has a real chance to become that one voice recommendations everyone hears. So let's wrap this up with one final truth. In 2026, keywords won't rank you anymore. Topic 3. It doesn't count how many times you write vitamin C serum in your listing. It reads your entire listing, replays content, storefront reviews to understand if you have answered every buyer question. That's why the brands that educate win, not the ones that starve. Talk about the problem, the ingredients, the results, and the proof, all connected under one topic. Think of your listing as a mini website inside Amazon, one where every section tells a story that helps the buyer decide faster. Do that and Amazon seller will reward you with visibility you never thought possible. Before you go, screenshot this. Your 2026 Amazon AI survival checklist. AI isn't the future of Amazon, it's the present. The brands who adapt today will own tomorrow. At Ecom Clips, we are helping sellers future-proof their listings for this new era. Comment your ASIN below and we'll send you a free AI visibility audit to see how prepared your brand really is. The next generation of Amazon success won't go to the biggest brands. It will go to the smartest ones.